There comes a moment in every woman's life when silence becomes heavy, when strength feels like a burden instead of a blessing, and when the world's expectations feel louder than her own heartbeat. Maybe you're standing at that moment right now. Maybe you've spent years being the one who held everything together, the one who smiled when her heart was breaking, the one who lifted others even when she barely had the energy to lift herself, the one who acted brave when fear was quietly eating her from the inside. If you're tired of being strong, you're not weak, you're human. And today, I want to speak to the version of you who is exhausted but still trying. The version of you who cries quietly so no one sees. The version of you who has gone through fire and come out with a smile that hides the scars. The version of you who has carried responsibilities that were never meant to be carried alone. You are the woman who stands in storms that would break others. You are the woman who rebuilds herself every time the world throws her into darkness. You are the woman who rises even when rising feels impossible. But even warriors get tired. Even mountains erode. Even the sky has nights when not a single star is visible. So if you're tired, pause, take a breath, close your eyes, because strength is not found in pretending to be unbreakable. Strength is found in admitting that you are breakable, but choosing to stand anyway. You see, life has this strange way of testing women who carry light inside them, not because the world wants to destroy them, but because the world knows that when these women rise, they rise differently. Their rise is not just for themselves, it is for every heart that has silently suffered, for every girl who is watching and learning how to survive, for every mother who lost her voice, for every sister who never felt enough, for every daughter who believed she had to be perfect to be loved. Maybe you've been told all your life to stay strong. Maybe you grew up hearing don't sit cry, don't sit complain, don't sit show weakness. Maybe you learned that people love your strength more than they love your soul. But today, let me tell you the truth. No one told you. You don't have to be strong every day. You don't have to smile through everything. You don't have to pretend to be made of steel. You are allowed to feel. You are allowed to hurt. You are allowed to stop, breathe, collapse for a moment and rise again when you are ready. Because your strength is not in your toughness, it is in your softness. Your ability to bend without breaking. Your ability to rise without being asked. Your ability to hold hope in your hands even when life keeps trying to steal it from you. If you're tired of being strong, then listen carefully. The world has taken so much from you. Your time, your energy, your tears, your peace. You gave too many chances. You forgave people who didn't even apologize. You stayed for people who would have left. You held on to people who only came close when they needed something. You broke yourself to heal others. And today the weight of it all sits on your chest like a silent stone. But let me tell you something the world forgot to tell you. You matter too. Your dreams matter. Your rest matters. Your heart matters. Your needs matter. Your healing matters. You don't just exist to save others. You are not a shelter for people who bring storms into your life. You are not a ladder for others to climb while you struggle alone at the bottom. You are not a backup plan. You are not an option. You are not a second thought. You are a whole universe. You are a force. You are fire wrapped in tenderness. You are courage shaped like a woman. And if you're tired, it's okay. It's okay to admit that you've done enough. It's okay to whisper to yourself, I need a break. It's okay to rest your heart. It's okay to sit with your pain until it softens. You don't have to rush your healing. You don't have to explain your tears. You don't have to justify your silence. Because sometimes the strongest thing a woman can do is stop. Stop carrying what isn't hers. Stop trying to fix everything. Stop apologizing for being human. Stop shrinking herself to make others comfortable. Stop pretending that everything is fine when her soul is begging for peace. You have spent so long trying to be what everyone needed. But tell me, who have you been for yourself? When was the last time you listened to your own voice? Not the voice that is trained to be polite. Not the voice that says, I'm okay even when it's not true. I mean the real voice. The quiet one inside that you keep ignoring. The voice that whispers your deepest fears, your hidden desires, your suppressed dreams. She sits still there. She has never left you. She sits waiting for you. She wants you to choose yourself for once. You don't have to be the strongest woman in every room. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is say, I'm tired. Sometimes the bravest thing you can do is let yourself fall apart so you can rebuild yourself the right way. Life has taught you to stand alone, but you were never meant to be alone. You deserve support. You deserve care. You deserve a space where someone holds you for a change, where someone asks you how you sipped you're doing, where someone says, rest, I sips got you. And if no one has said this to you yet, then let me be the first. You have done enough. You have fought enough. You have carried enough. You have survived enough. And now you deserve peace. You deserve mornings that don't start with stress, nights that don't end with tears, people who don't drain your soul, a life that doesn't feel like a constant battle, a heart that doesn't feel like it's always breaking. You deserve softness after all the hardness you've endured. You deserve joy after all the sadness you've swallowed. You deserve love, the kind that doesn't hurt, the kind that doesn't demand that you break yourself to prove your worth. But listen, this peace won't come from the world. It won't come from waiting. It won't come from pleasing people. It won't come from holding on to things that are destroying you. It starts with a single decision, a decision to choose yourself. A decision to stop being strong for everyone else and start being strong for you. Strength doesn't mean carrying the weight of the world. Strength means putting the world down and saying, not today. Today, I choose me. You don't need permission to heal. You don't need approval to rest. You don't need validation to walk away from what breaks you. You don't need anyone to tell you that you've tried hard enough. You already know you have. And maybe, just maybe, life is whispering to you right now. Stop surviving, start living. If you sit tired of being strong, then listen to the truth your heart has been waiting for. Your life is not a struggle story. Your journey is not defined by your wounds. Your future is not a reflection of your past. There is a version of you waiting on the other side of this exhaustion. A version of you who laughs louder, who breathes freely, who doesn't apologize for taking up space, who prioritizes herself without guilt, who rises not for the world, but for her own soul. To a version of you who isn't tired of being strong because she finally learned how to be strong differently, not by carrying everything, but by letting go. Not by being silent, but by speaking her truth. Not by enduring pain, but by choosing peace. Not by sacrificing herself, but by valuing herself. And you will reach that version of you. Not today, not tomorrow, but soon. Because any woman who has survived what you've survived deserves a life where she finally thrives. So if you're so tired of being strong, and when you rise, and you will rise not as the woman the world told you to be, but as the woman you were always meant to be.